हर बार जब मैं वीडियो करती हूँ ना इंस्टाग्राम या यूट्यूब पे ऑन टाइप्स ऑफ ब्रा, ऑन व्हाट इज अ स्ट्रैपलेस ब्रा, टी शर्ट ब्रा एंड प्रिंटेड ब्रा, और क्या पैडिंग, वायर्ड, नॉन वायर्ड, फुल कप, हाफ कप, बेसिकली कितने सारे मैंने वीडियोस किए हैं. एंड द मोस्ट कॉमन क्वेश्चन आई गेट इज बट व्हाट इज अ स्ट्रैपलेस ब्रा और हाउ डू आई बाय अ स्ट्रैपलेस ब्रा रादर. और फिर जब मैं कोई फैंसी सा ड्रेस पहनती हूँ या स्पगेटी टॉप्स पहनती हूँ तो अगेन जेनी व्हाट डू यू वेयर अंडरनीथ, मतलब मेरे डीएम भरे होते हैं इन क्वेश्चन से. तो मुझे लगा मे बी बाइंग अ स्ट्रैपलेस ब्रा इज द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट थिंग इन दैट बाइंग ब्रा एनीवेज डिफिकल्ट है. ठीक है, आफ्टर पैंट्स एंड डेनिम्स अगर कोई डिफिकल्ट चीज़ है बाय करने को सो दैट इज लॉन्जरी, बिकॉज इवन द रिटेल स्टाफ इज नॉट अवेयर कि वो आपको क्या सजेस्ट करे बारिंग वेरी फ्यू ब्रांड्स. तो आज का टॉपिक है वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस एवरीथिंग यू वांट टू नो अबाउट अ स्ट्रैपलेस ब्रा एंड हाउ यू कैन बाय अ स्ट्रैपलेस ब्रा, whether you're petite, plus size, regular bust size या whatever myths and everything हम break करते हैं. जैसे मैं हर बार बोलती हूँ, if you have any styling query, I'm your girl. You just need to write to me on a DM or YouTube messages, comments basically. And I will create a video on it because styling for me ना एक journey है. ऐसा नहीं है कि I was like this from day one. काफी सारा मैंने learning unlearning किया है and I'm sharing all that with you. So let's begin. ज़्यादा बातें नहीं करनी क्योंकि ये बहुत power packed सा वीडियो होने वाला है. And let's begin. Strapless bra क्या होती है? Strapless bra are simple bras without any strap, so they have to hold your bust, right? अब इसमें people feel okay this is that you have to buy a strapless bra a size smaller. No, please don't buy a strapless bra size smaller. So if this is your bust size and if you buy a size smaller, then can you see strapless bra is not going to cover full. और फिर ये constant सा ना, you will keep on touching your bust, you will keep on adjusting your bra and वो discomfort will show in the clothes. So strapless bra, you don't have to buy a size smaller. Strapless bra is the same size that your regular bra is. Yes, within the brand or even brand to brand sizing will change, but that will change for every type of bra. That's nothing different कि strapless bra के लिए you have to buy a smaller size. The second thing I personally feel कि strapless bra में ना wired strapless bras work much better. Okay, so because of the wires here, can you see the cup is molded, and because there is wire here, it holds your breast inside and there is no spillage on the down or on the side. Now if a wired bra is not convenient, trust me, the problem is कि you have picked up the wrong size or the wrong style for yourself. A wired bra cannot hurt you unless medically you are advised not to wear a wired bra or you have some issues, and then ठीक है. but अगर mental block है then please remove it. Just in case you are not able to wear a wired strapless bra because of whatever reason, then I would say buy a molded cup bra. A molded cup bra is something जिसके cups ना molded होते हैं but यहाँ wires नहीं होते, they are just molded. So from an economic perspective, I think Uniqlo Airism molded bras are one of the best. In fact, Instagram पे मैंने अभी एक वीडियो किया है 5 things to buy from Uniqlo. Trust me, they are just absolutely amazing. So these molded bras or wired bras with ready-made molds work much better when you want to wear a strapless bra. Third point, whenever you buy a strapless bra, स्ट्रैपलेस ब्रास में ना एक एंटी स्लिप क्वालिटी होती है जो मोस्ट ब्रास में अब तो आने लगी है बट स्ट्रैपलेस में ज़्यादा होती है. द एंटी स्लिप क्वालिटी मीन्स कि ये वाला जो पार्ट है ना, दिस देन अंडर द ब्रा और ये साइड में यहाँ पे एक प्लास्टिक सा शाइनिंग सा थिंग होता है विच डजंट लेट योर ब्रा स्लाइड डाउन. इट विल एक्चुअली जस्ट have a very stick-on effect on your body. It doesn't stick to your body, okay? It just kapda nas, like if it's a cloth it slips, right? If it's your bust and this is a cloth it slips down, but because of that anti-slip property यहाँ पर it is a slight stuck to your body. Is that a right word? Now like I said कि it's not glue कि एकदम सा stick हो जाएगा. It just has an anti-slip quality. So make sure that whenever you're buying a wireless bra, it's of good quality, and all good quality wireless bras will have this anti-slip quality. In fact, मेरे दोनों bras में है. It is this side. Fourth point, if this is the very first strapless bra you are buying, then please buy in black and nude color. Black will work for everything that is dark and nude will work for everything that is lighter shade. So you are sorted for all occasions. You don't need like, मैंने ना एक वीडियो किया है 3 types of bra that every girl needs. मतलब ये 3 स्टाइल है ना, you don't even need a 4th style. It covers all your basic requirements. Rest you buy for yourself, पर आपका basic wardrobe requirement हो जाता है वो 3 स्टाइल से. I'm adding that video also here. Whenever you're buying a nude bra, it has to work on your chest color nude. किसी के लिए chestnut brown nude होता है, किसी के लिए rose beige nude होता है, किसी के लिए light cream nude होता है. So depending on what your chest color is, you need to buy a nude bra. The easy way to buy a nude bra is where if you go to like good stores, for example Victoria's Secret या Marks and Spencer, they always have a white t-shirt inside the dressing room. And जब आप bra try करते हैं, then wear that white t-shirt. If the bra is not visible from that white opaque t-shirt या shirt, that would mean that the bra is exactly nude color. अगर हल्की सी bra light दिखती है या dark दिखती है, then you need to adjust the shade accordingly. So invest in a nude which is your chest color nude for that bra if this is your very first strapless bra. और मुझे तो वैसे भी लगता है that black and nude strapless bra will sort every single thing. 5th point is thicker back support. Whenever you're buying a strapless bra, make sure that the back support is thick. Now this thicker straps ensures that you have a nice coverage at the back. At the same time, it helps you hold your breast properly and you don't feel as if your bra is slipping down. So always remember thicker back support. Make sure that you're buying and you're checking कि वो thin strap नहीं और thick है behind, right? We're not talking about backless tops. We are talking about strapless bras. Backless tops के लिए there's a whole different thing, but strapless bra की बात चल रही है. अब ये तो थे basic pointers for everyone to remember, irrespective of your plus size or you are petite or regular plus size. Now 2 special points for someone who's petite and plus. तो petite से शुरू करते हैं. If you're someone with smaller bust or you feel कि पता नहीं what kind of bra I should buy when it comes to strapless, I would say you could also invest in a fully cup, or you can also do a push-up bra. A push-up strapless bra that will give you a certain amount of shape around your bust. If you're not comfortable with a push-up, you could also wear those bralette kinds जिसमें हल्के से cups, molded cups होते हैं, and that can also, like tube tops, that can also work as strapless bras for you because you are smaller bust size. Okay, now when we're talking about plus size, please spend some time into research. India में Wakol and Marks and Spencer 6 years back they used to do amazing work when it came to plus size. If you are Nykaa fashion या Zivame पे होता होगा, but because I have no personal experience I cannot suggest. मतलब मैंने कोई ब्रांड किसी क्लाइंट्स के लिए भी बाय नहीं किया है. अब तो Amazon पे भी काफ़ी सारे ब्रांड्स मिल जाते हैं, but you need to be extremely sure when you are buying online कि आपने अंडर बस्ट ओवर बस्ट सारा अच्छे से मेजर किया है. You don't want to buy and then not be comfortable. In fact, I would suggest कि अगर पहला bra है and if you are plus size, go to the store, try, sit down, walk inside the trial room, get up and do a couple of like getting up, sitting down thing and see whether there is a boob spillage or not. Or when I say research, if you're not staying in India, then Third Love and Spanx are doing amazing work. I know there are more brands, but मुझे ये पता है that these are doing amazing work. The second thing as a plus size or as a, I wouldn't say plus, as a big chested women you need to remember is that जो मैंने पहले बताया thicker straps, that's absolutely important for you because that will support your breast. You cannot wear a strapless bra and then end of the day your bust is hurting. So you need to see to it that there is an extra support in terms of the cups, fuller cups, and in terms of your back support. ठीक है, सो ये थे हमारे 5 जेनेरिक पॉइंट्स और प्लस साइज एंड पेटीट दोनों के लिए पॉइंटर्स. आई एम श्योर कि अगर आप पहला strapless bra you are going to buy, then this is going to make so easy for you. These pointers are going to be so absolutely easy for you. और भी अगर if you have question, then just write below and I will answer that. Besides that, मुझे पता है लॉन्ड्री वाले टॉपिक्स थोड़े से डिफिकल्ट हो जाते हैं, मुझे करने में भी डिफिकल्ट होते हैं because I don't know what words to use. There is no shortage of creeps on the internet, right? But if you think that your sister, your mother, your friends are going to benefit from this video because काफ़ी लोग ये openly बात नहीं करते हैं, then please share this with them. I make this in Hindi and English as a combination so that it reaches more people. And if you have any questions, तो लिख दीजिए. If you have liked what you've seen so far, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon, and I'm forever looking for ideas to create content for you. I want to create content that is useful for you. So अगर आपको लगता है कि there is something that you're always confused about, write down. 12 साल से मैं ये कर रही हूँ, and trust me, everything comes from experience. Till I see you next time. Bye.